What are they doing in Walmart? No cash payments, guys. CBDC coming? Already, a lot of stores, a lot of Walmart locations have reported high cases of theft and shutting down Walmart locations because of what corporate is calling underperforming Walmart locations. But what generally happens in the area is when these big box Walmart stores open up, a lot of the small businesses are not able to compete with Walmart's prices, and ultimately they end up shutting down. I understand that this is capitalism and it is what it is. Now, I do know some people who have not been to Walmart for 10 years, maybe even more, because the way that they kind of blew out small businesses and entrepreneurs that are working on increasing their profits and revenues. But what is going on today is it's really no change in corporate behavior. So, for example, like right here, Walmart has confirmed it is shutting down 7 stores over profitability concerns after a thorough review process. And so Walmart confirmed the closure of 5 locations across 3 different states. And just let us know if you're one of the states where Walmarts are actually closing in your area. But among those was a store in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and it was described as underperforming in a press statement from Walmart. And other impacted locations include a store in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and 3 stores in the Chicago area.